Hi everyone. Welcome to another Tech Tips channel. In the last video, we have to go through the patrol module. And in this video, we will go through the incident module, the emergency alarm, from creating a new incident, listing the incident in map view, the incident log in the dashboard and in the menu, and lastly an automation to handle the emergency alarm. Alright, let's check the data setting. In the incident log table, we got 8 columns. Record it is a text type, with initial value of, concatenate CS with row number. Image before column is a image type. Image after column is a image type. Location column is a lot long type, with initial value of here. Status column is an enum type, with values of new, the initial value, and checking and closed. Notes column is a long text type. Created by column is a reference to member master table, with an initial value of user email. Created date column is a datetime type, with an initial value of now. Data is ready, let's proceed to slice. We have few slices for incident log table. Set the incident log master slice as shown. Set the incident log master slice as shown. The next 3 slices, every setting is same except the row filter condition. So we may just use the copy function to duplicate this slice, and then change the filter condition. Set the slice as shown. Hit the copy button to duplicate this slice. Then change the slice name and the row filter condition. Then duplicate another slice. Similar, change the slice name and the row filter condition. Alright, the slice is ready, let's proceed to the incident form. Set the incident form as shown. And remember, set the event action, so that it may auto-update the guards, last seen location and date time. Set the action as shown. This action actually running a referenced action from member master. You may skip this if you have creating this, if not, then set as shown. Alright, incident form is ready, let's proceed to the map view. We are sharing the incident map with Patrol. If you watched the last video, you might acknowledge. We set the incident log master slice as the secondary data table in the Patrol map. So this is how we accomplish the listing in a map view, from 2 different tables. Next, let's check the format rules which format the pointer for incident. We got 3 different pointer formats: for new, checking and closed. Set the format rules as shown. Then we may duplicate it by hit the copy button. Set the checking format rule as shown. Set the closed format rule as shown. Alright, map view is ready. Let's proceed to the incident log in the dashboard. Set the incident slice log as shown. Lastly, don't forget to add the event action, the GP view incident detail action. This action will auto-update the viewed record status, as checking is the current status is new. Set the action as shown. This action is a group action, calling for 2 actions, the checking action and the display detail action. Set the checking action as shown. Set the display detail action as shown. This action is linked to a filtered view to display the detail. Set the detail view as shown. Alright, this is our display detail action. Next, let's check the setting for the incident log detail. Set the detail as shown. Lastly, set the form as shown. And then, set the update last seen location, and last seen date time as event action. So we have completed the incident log in the dashboard. Let's proceed to the incident log in the menu. Set the incident master as shown. Lastly, set the event action, the GP view incident detail which auto-update the record as checking status. There are other 3 actions for this incident view. Alert action, checking action and closed action. Set the closed action as shown. Set the alert action as shown. This action is to update the notes column with text help. I will explain later why we need to do this. Set the emergency action as shown. This action is linked to a form with fill in notes column with the text help. Like this. Let's check the emergency form. Set the form as shown. Lastly, set the event action. Next, set a bot to handle the emergency alert. Set the bot as shown. Alright, we have completed our workshop for the Guard Tour Patrolling app. We end here now. See you guys in the next video. Bye.